Jesus film digital premiere in Jamaica and Creole. Wow. What does that mean? Drink your tea, man. That's what it was. It's Jesus in power. It's kind of like, you say you saw it.
I saw clips of it.
Okay, they're gonna
Yeah.
they're gonna put it up and we're gonna see what's happening here. Are you gonna play the video? Yeah. Okay. What we have here is some pictures of.
It's like a voiceover.
Yeah, it's
Voiceover
like.
in patois.
So you saw it?
I saw pieces of it advertised.
Advertised. So
Yeah.
they're actually running this.
I think so.
Where?
On our TV.
On
TVJ.
our
CVJ.
Guys, oh no, go on, go
Patois.
watch it. This
No,
is
seriously,
pretty
man.
much Christians locally will join their counterparts around the world to celebrate and reflect on the death of Jesus Christ this Easter. However, this Easter, through the Campus Crusade for Christ project, Jamaicans will now get to hear the Jesus film in Creole. So if you don't want to hear "This is Lord Jesus Christ," you're gonna hear "This is Jesus," brethren from.
And he can eat.
I'm not even sure how that goes, but we're
going
gonna
to eat bun and cheese
Yeah.
and sprat and bread.
There you go. The film recently premiered under the distinguished patronage of His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen. I'd love to know what Sir Patrick Allen thought about this. And it was at the Sir Kenneth Standard Lecture Theatre, University of the West Indies. You know, it's based on the Gospel of Luke, and it's the story of the Passion of Jesus, which is normal. Everybody has seen it, I hope. I can't say most Christians have seen it. Let me put it that way. So this is just the Jamaicanized version
and I guess people can understand now from a Jamaican standpoint how the fish and bread thing and.
I have a question.
Yes.
It is still a white Jesus though.
Yeah.
So it's
baby
just
steps.
voice-over.
Yeah,
It's
voice over.
They've
Baby
never
steps.
really took a Rasta band from Donna.
Yeah, next year Benji can be the Jesus.
Ooh, I don't know if we would want to blaspheme like that and put Benji as Jesus. No, I wouldn't quite do
just
that.
An actor.
No,
Just an actor.
no, the Lord would take offense. But hey, if you want to go see it, you really should. Let me just know what you think after you've seen it. Yeah.
Okay, so the next topic, Delta Airlines will now offer nearly $10,000 to passengers on overbooked flights.
Yes, and you know why this came
I think
about.
this is a knee-jerk reaction because of the United thing.
Of course.
Everybody.
Of course. Everybody's now going to cover their butts. Because what it is somebody must take that $10,000. So if you said to me the flight is overbooked, I'll be like, me.
Yep.
I'll be like,
Same time.
Me, I'll take
The
it.
plane are probably empty. You know, somebody said to me the other day, them say if them go up on a flight and the flight attendant touch them and say, put away
Just
yourself.
ball out.
And just drop off of them seat. And just say so.
Oh, yeah.
But you know, United has had a rough week though, because a Scorpion.
United has had a rough week?
Yeah, well, that's just from a PR standpoint.
Oh, stop
A Scorpion fell.
A what?
Yeah, in one of I think it was the day after, a Scorpion fell from the cabin on a passenger.
Guys, if you don't know what we're talking about, there was a big issue with a doctor who was violently removed from a United Airlines flight on Tuesday. On Tuesday, and he's suing United, obviously, because for excessive force and a lot of other things, because of how he was removed from the plane. He was asked to leave because the flight was overbooked, and he decided he wasn't going to because he had patients to see. And the police come and they took him off, but it's how them take him off. They remove him, and he was bloodied up.
That's not took off, you know. In Jamaica, you call that drag off.
Good. So he must sue them, and rightfully so, and he must sue them for like $50 million or something.
Let's sue them for more than that. I mean, that's stop work.
Yeah. So he's saying it was a rough week for United. Not a rough week
No,
for
I talk
United.
from the PR standpoint.
United have money, them can't find it, give people.
Yeah.
Next up, this one is kind of serious. Amid tensions with the US, North Korea shows off new missiles in a Hue parade? We need to give background information on these two?
Well, if you don't know, then you're probably living under a rock.
The Moab.
Because it's getting real. It's Donald Trump versus the world.
Yep, pretty much.
Trump versus Russia, and a lot of bombings and all that going on. So Russia decided that, hey, we can show you what we have too. Like Kim Jong-un.
North Korea, yeah, that's right.
Made an appearance for 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Came out, stood, unveiled weapons, then
and
he left. Then he left.
Yeah, and you guys, if you've been following this, know that Donald Trump said that, you know, they wouldn't have been given weapons of mass destruction, nuclear weapons, but, you know, things change when you get elected, you know, lots of things change.
Oh, yeah.
And things have been changing in terms of what he said he was going to do. But he did say he was going to bomb the bleep out of ISIS, and he did bomb the bleep
drop
out of
the
ISIS.
biggest bombs.
But here, North Korea is now just reacting and saying, hey, if you're gonna do that, we're ready to do some stuff, and we got some stuff too. So that's their stuff that you're seeing there.
It's like boys with toys.
I know.
Yeah,
we are on the cusp of World War III because of people's ego. Hey, I'm glad I live in Jamaica now, but guess what? Them just better not kick off nothing in a Kingston 21, aka Florida, because we're too close. We're too close. No, seriously, you don't think that we could get drawn into this because of where we are?
Yeah, the entire Caribbean will be drawn into it.
Them can just steal us and launch.
Because somebody said when America sneeze,
we catch cold. Yeah. So. By the way, do you have a cold?
A small cold. Anyways, that's it for the trending topics. Let us know what you think. Feel free to continue the discussions on our social media pages. Weekend Smile. We'll soon come back.
Yeah.
Wait,
it's over.